Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Okay, guys, this is 60BaeGrey, the real trip. We down here at Migula Gallery Cafe in Dubai, no cap. You can see they're right behind us. This is a gallery and a not dealership, but it's definitely a car gallery cafe. So we're down here in the business district where they sell a bunch of cars. You can see the car dealership right over here, right somewhere. All right, you guys get it. So anyway, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna do a quick review, and then we're gonna see what cars they got. So we down there with the real drip. Hey guys, it's 60BaeGrey, the real drip here in Dubai. Sorry, I didn't bring my selfie stick. I've been putting my fingers in the camera. I've been doing crazy stuff. So we about to get some tea and crumpets. You feel me? She's over there making it all right. She's over there making it all right. Yeah, so they have the coffee, drinks, snacks. So we just gonna vibe out. And we go, man, I need the shade. But it's okay though, we in Dubai. Chilling with your boy. Like you in Dubai, chilling with your boy. How about that? No cap, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. I left the drip at the hotel. They weren't ready for that, so. Yeah, we got that hot chocolate. Frappuccino hot chocolate. With a nice, fine, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with the hot chocolate, no cap. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. We waiting for our Danish. You feel me? Alright, man, my fingers keep getting in the way, man. This is crazy. So I'm gonna be filming with a new camera when I get back home. So my cell phone is great, but I don't have a selfie stick, so this is what we do. Okay, guys, we're at Milia Art Gallery, and we're vlogging. Say hi to the people. Right. I'm 60BaeGrey. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Okay, on YouTube. So we came from America to Dubai just to check out your gallery. It's an art gallery, and they have food and snacks and drinks. So we're gonna take a look at a few cars and tell me what y'all think. All right, talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay. We're looking at the Porsche 1961. This is clean. Where do you get the cars from? This is your car? Okay, your boss's car. Okay. All right, nice tables, nice tables. These cars are go-karts. These are go-karts? Okay. This one? Bugatti? Okay, okay. All right. All right. Oh, yeah. See it right at the front. All right, Bugatti. Y'all guys see that? Bugatti right there at the front. Okay, we just giving y'all a tour of what's going on here. Look at this one right here. The Ferrari, no cap. This is a car I wanted, but I couldn't afford it. You know, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So once we get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm getting it, no cap. All right, turn it back. All right. So that was a little bit too close. See here, we'll do a quick walk around. Okay, we got the engine. Okay. All right, looking like the Corvette. Well, the Corvette looking like the Ferrari. Okay. This is the restaurant where we're at. Boom. Oh shoot, take my hand out of the way. Sorry guys. I'm using my camera, so please forgive me. So I forgot to introduce you to security. Uh-oh. Say hi. You don't want to talk? Okay. All right. He's very stoic. You don't want to talk to me? He got his keys and everything. See?
Really?
So we're going to grab a bite to eat in a second. Got a little coffee. They sitting at the table. Is this the last supper? Or one of the suppers? look at Gandhi down there, boy, he vibing out. Okay. We're just gonna do a quick scan over here. Take it slow. Nice. Okay. 60BaeGrey. We're looking at the cars. Okay. Sorry, one of my subscribers just wanted to know some information about a Camaro. We're gonna get to that, but there's no Camaros in here. They got the real drip, no cap. Okay. This is a museum of high-end cars. Yeah, boy. This is nice. What y'all think? Y'all like this? Yeah, so I think I like this. I came all the way from America to Dubai to check this out. Okay, this is the go-kart he was telling me about right here. Paris. Okay. Hermes. Alright, okay. Look at this Porsche. Boy, we need 10,000 subscribers. Hey, my man knows how to do it down here, man. No cap. Boy, he got the car. Look. look. Wind intake. Yeah. Racing car. It's the Porsche. Now, you guys know that the Corvette was in my price range. All the other cars were out of my price range. The Porsche is a nice vehicle, but at the end of the day, I thought the Corvette was more sexy. But I'm trying to tell you, this one right here is lit. I don't know if this has got to be soft top. Man. All right, then we have the Ferrari. This has got to be like a 1987 one. One of the very first ones. Whoever owns this place got some money, no cap. Okay. I hope y'all appreciate it. I flew all the way down to Dubai just for you guys, just to make sure that we can give you people what you want. Give the 60BaeGrey squad some nice content. Okay. Wow. Man, maybe one day I can have one of these museums. So, there you have it, guys. 60BaeGrey, the real trip. We outside. We in Dubai. We gonna get some treats. We gonna get some snacks. And we're gonna show you. I'm filming with my camera, so my apologies. I know I'm filming with my camera, filming with my cell phone. All right, let's see. They got the nice coffee. Okay. Nice. Get some treats. Okay. Little muffins and crumpets. Okay. All right. Get the final scan. This is the front or the back. You're looking at the back, and this is the front of the cafe. Cafe is here, and we're getting ready to order some coffee. Would you recommend people to come to America to here?
Of course.
Okay. How many cars do you have here?
We have 8 cars.
8? Okay. I saw there was a Ferrari all the way in the back. Is that the first one that was ever made? What year is that black one all the way on the back?
78.
78? Okay, that's what I thought. All right, because I remember that. I'm 62. See, my channel is 60BaeGrey because I turned 60. So, but I'm 62 2 years ago. So anyway, so I remember in '78 I was 18. I remember that car. Okay. Anything you want to tell the people about the Ferrari or Porsche?
No, my boss only collected for Ferrari and Porsche.
Okay. All right. Awesome. All right, guys. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Thank you for tuning in. We were watching, we vibing, and we're out of here. Hey guys, I decided to come back and let you know that they got a book.
What?
Okay, they got a book. All right. SuperCarS, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step. Dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no care.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun.